Welcome to the Light Codes of the Day series. Today's update is about the fourth of the seven veils of illusion, and that is unworthiness. Let's dissolve that for you too. Enjoy. Hujai kiatai hai, mawak papa taratatai te, iak pata trakatai te, kushpanama paki teratahat kiat pat. Makpat parahat pat ki tireketit hashtaranata ki tiretetelit. Ukpama paete jakatai hiatakai. Mahapaka tarahataka. Pia papai hitashtarahatae titi ishta. Ukpama tahataranakata tahatapai. Iataka tarakata hatapapai. Ukpama hashtakata. Inahatakahata. Kiatataete kiata hata. You are worthy, you are worthy. Kiashtaranata kiashtapaete. Uaktahapa kianatahapa. Meakpahapa kiapahapa kishtaratataete.